Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Ansar. In today's session we are going to learn the continuation of lesson preposition at. Preposition at use number 6. What is that? It is used to state the age at which somebody does something. Okay, so somebody does something at the age of so and so. So what is that? Let us learn with the help of some examples. I got married at 26, at the age of 26. So here you can notice word at, preposition at we have used here, preposition at. Okay, I got married at 26. Next one, she left the school at the age of 16. Okay, when did she leave? When did she leave school? At the age of 16. She left the school at the age of 16. So at we use preposition at here. Okay, we use preposition at in the direction of something or somebody. Example, she stared at me. She stared at me. Stared at me. So here we use preposition at for, here we use preposition at. So two words. She stared at me. She stared at me. So this is one example. Rahul aimed at the target. She stared at me. Okay, she stared at me. Rahul aimed at the target. Here we have one more use of preposition at. Okay, so let us learn 8. It is used after a verb to show that somebody partly does something. Somebody partly does something, not completely. Partly does something but does not complete it. Does not complete it. In that situation also we have to use at, preposition at. So example is John nibbled at a sandwich. John nibbled at a sandwich. What is the meaning of this sentence? John ate only a small bit of it. One morsel of a sandwich. One morsel of a sandwich, not complete sandwich. Okay, John nibbled at a sandwich. So you can notice that preposition at we have used after the verb. What is the verb? Verb is here nibbled. So preposition it we use after a verb. Okay, John nibbled at a sandwich. What is the meaning of this sentence? It means John ate only a small bit of it. A small bit of it means a morsel, not complete. Not complete. Okay, a small bit of it. So here, this is one more use. And please make note that the word sandwich, the pronunciation of this word is sandwich. Pronunciation of this word sandwich, sandwich. So D is silent here. Already I have discussed, we have learned already. Okay, so this is one more use. Now we move on to the next use of preposition at. चलिए सीखते हैं और एक इस्तेमाल preposition at का. तो देखते हैं यहाँ पे. It is used with adjectives. At is used with adjectives to show how well somebody does something. What is the meaning of adjective? Adjective we have discussed in previous classes, I think. Adjective means a quality of noun or pronoun. Okay, when we say something about noun or pronoun, the word which shows something about noun or pronoun, that is called adjective. For example, if I say cat is a noun, it is a name of animal. Black cat. So black is a word which is qualifying or which is talking about cat. Black cat. So black is a word, it is an adjective. This room is spacious. Room is a name of place, it is a noun. Big room, spacious room, big, B-I-G, big is an adjective. So let us learn here. You know very well adjectives are very important in English language. So examples are here. Number 1, I am good at English. So I am good at English. So here preposition at, and here before that we have good. So word good is an adjective. So here we use, with adjectives. So I am good at English. I am good at English. Jack is good at sports. So Jack is good at sports. So here also you can notice that, preposition at is used and adjective is here. So here Jack is good at sports. Jack is good at sports. I am good at English. So this is one more use of preposition at. It is used to show a rate, speed, etc. So here examples are, he was driving at 90 miles per hour. He was driving at 90 miles per hour. So here at we have used preposition to show speed, 90 miles per hour. He was driving at 90 miles per hour. One more example, I drive my bike at 40 miles per hour. I drive my bike at 40 miles per hour. So here you can notice that at I have used here to show the speed of that one. What is that one? 40 miles. 40 miles per hour. Okay, I drive my bike at 40 miles per hour. So I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Have a great day. Enjoy learning.